हेलो एवरीवन। द डिज़ायर ऑफ बॉटनी में आप लोग का स्वागत है चैनल पर। ये एमएससी बीएससी दोनों लोग के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। एल्गी जनरल कैरेक्टर्स होता है क्या। आप चाहेंगे तो वीडियो पॉज कर भी आप लोग नोट्स बना सकते हैं। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। एल्गी comprise a group of chlorophyll containing tholioid plants of the simplest type having no true roots, stems, leaves, or leaf-like organs. They are placed in the division Thylophyta along with fungi. They differ from fungi in the presence of photosynthetic pigment, chlorophyll, and in their mode of nutrition. Although most of the algae are autotrophic, example, they synthesize their food by themselves, yet heterotrophic and holozoic forms are not uncommon. The important distinguishing features of algae are as follow. They most chlorophyll containing tholioid plants. They occur in a variety of habitats, but majority of them are aquatic. The plant body does not show differentiations into various tissue systems. They have mostly unicellular six organs without a jacket of sterile cells around them. Jacket cells, if present, have different initiations. There is a progressive complexity in reproductions. Embryo is not formed after gametic union. They show distinct alternations of generations. एल्गी का ऑकरेंस देखते हैं। ऑकरेंस क्या है इसका। Algae are of universal occurrence and they are found in variety of habitats such as freshwater, seawater, on snow, and on non or within the plant and animals. Be classified into the following three groups: aquatic algae, terrestrial algae, algae of unusual habitats. तो चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं एक्वाटिक एल्गी क्या है। एक्वाटिक फॉर्म्स आर फाउंड इन फ्रेश वाटर इन स्लाइन वाटर ऑफ द सी। जो एक्वाटिक्स होता है ये फ्रेश वाटर इन स्लाइन वाटर ऑफ द समुद्र में मिलता है। फ्रेश वाटर क्या है? फ्रेश वाटर फॉर्म्स, दिस फॉर्म्स अकर इन फ्रेश वाटर, लो सैलिनिटी वाटर ऑफ ponds, pools, lakes, rivers, etc. Some freshwater forms like Cladophora oregonium, Eleutheryx and Cara are found in slow running water. Volvox, Hydrodictyon and Spirogyra occurs in stagnant water. Marine forms, these forms occur in saline water of the sea and represented by the members of Phaeophyce. Example, Ictocarpus, Sargassum, Fucus, and Rhydophyce. Example इसका Polycephalia. The aquatic algae are either free-floating, example Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Spirogyra, or attached substratum with the help of an attachment disc known as holdfast. Example Oregonium, Eleutheryx. Many free-floating algae together with other similar organisms from colonize on the surface of water, which are called water blooms, are फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स। ये आप लोग नोट्स बना सकते हैं, वीडियो पॉज कर नोट्स लिख भी सकते हैं, तो ये आप लोग के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। एल्गी लाइक डिक्टियोफेजियंस, फ्रेजिलेरिया, कॉजमेरियम, वालवाक्स, एस्ट्रियोनीला एंड ग्लोनिकिया आर commonly found in fresh water planktons, whereas actinocycles, Catioceros and Cosnicodicus are common in marine plant cotyledons. During night, plant को utilize oxygen dissolved in water, and as such submerged aquatic organisms do not get sufficient oxygen for respiration. Besides, phytoplanktons also prevent atmospheric oxygen from dissolving in water, thus making the habitat unsuitable for submerged aquatic life. Many algae are found attached to rocks along the edges of lakes and seas, and these forms are called phytovinthos. और सेकेंड पॉइंट देखते हैं, टेरेस्ट्रियल एल्गी क्या होता है। टेरेस्ट्रियल एल्गी, सम एल्गी आर फाउंड इन टेरेस्ट्रियल हैबिटाट्स लाइक soils, rocks, logs, etc. from like Vaucheria, Botrodium, Freshlilia and Euglena, which are found on the surface of the soil, are known as saprophytes, whereas many blue-green algae, example non-stalk Anabaena, which occur under the surface of the soil, are called cryptophytes. Some algae are also found on tree trunks and moist walls, and they absorb carbon dioxide and water from the atmosphere, example Protococcus cytonema. थर्ड पॉइंट देखते हैं, एल्गी एंड अनयूजुअल हैबिटाट्स। चलिए आ जाइए। In addition to aquatic terrestrial habitats, some algae also occur in uncommon habitats. First है helophatic algae. Helophatic algae. There are many algae which occur in saline water of seas, but some others can withstand high concentrations of salts and occur in salt lakes. They are called halophytes and include Chlamydomonas, Ehrenbergii, Dunalia, Staphylopetra. Epiphytic algae क्या है? Second, they grow on larger algae or on bryophytes and angiosperms. For example, species bubble chat, Oregonium and Microspora are found attached to the larger species of Cladophora, Rhizoconium and Vaucheria. Bryophytic and angiospermic flora of rivers and lakes harbor many algal members on their surface. Algae with mucilaginous thalli like Chaetophora, Oregonium and Zygnema are epiphytic on Acanthus, Ioncia, Cynandra, etc. Epizoic algae. Many algae grow on animals like snails, fishes and tortoises, and they are known as epizoic. For example, Cladophora crispata grows on snails, and species of Stegoconium are found in the gills of fishes. Similarly, species of Caryopsis and Caracium are found on the lakes of Branchius. Endozoic algae. Algae which occur in the tissue of animals are known as endozoic. For example, species of Zooxanthellae are found in Hydra viridis, besides several species of the family Ocetruriaceae. Blue-green algae occur in the respiratory and digestive tracts of vertebrate animals. फिफ्थ क्या, सिम्बियोटिक एल्गी. Several members of Chlorophyceae and Cyanophyceae form symbiotic associations with fungi, bryophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Lichens are important example of symbiotic life, and their algal components belongs to Cyanophyceae. Example: non-stalk Gloeopsha microcystis are Chlorophyceae. Example: Coxomycosa chlorella, Protococcus clonius of nostoc, and Anabina are found in symbiotic associations in the thallus of Anthoceros and colloid roots of cycas. प्लीज़ ये कंटेंट आपको पसंद आ रहा है तो आगे चलकर अब नेक्स्ट हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे क्रेप्टोफेटिक एल्गी क्या होता है, तो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक रहेगा. प्लीज़ आप लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. द डिज़ायर ऑफ बॉटनी को आप लोग के लिए एमएससी के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा. आप चाहेंगे वीडियो को पॉज कर नोट्स लिख सकते हैं. थैंक यू.